5. My colleagues, the RDCs from Acholi sub-region, and our dean. I think the senior also is here from Kitgu, is with us here, and we have introduced ourselves to you. So I think I will not waste time. You know the team with us here. I am very happy to be here today alive, to see that you are here to pass these cadres. I've been praying for this. I've been praying for you people so that all of you are healthy and you see this day. I know Satan is everywhere. Some were deceiving you in the dormitory, touching anyhow, but you overcome. Others, they go at the roadside, Satan takes them there to drink. But I will not say this. There was nobody who took alcohol here. Honorable Richard, this team here you see in front of you had about 7-8 trainings of cadres. To be honest, from my heart, this is the best team for Northern Region. This one is the best team from Northern Region. And I know Satan is not sleeping. They want to destroy this team. If you allow them to destroy them, my work I've already finished my work. I've mobilized them. We have sat with them here. They have been educated. I'm handing over them to you today. And I'm handing them to you today. Honorable Richard, I know you very well. Where we started from, how you brought us, how you pushed us, I know you. Please take time and get these people closer to you. You will see result in Northern Region. I was telling them that they told us some other things. Acholi sub-region, Northern Region received 7 trillion. Yes, we have received. And it went the way it has gone. The thieves have stolen it. Not only from Acholi sub-region, we collectively in Uganda ate the money that came to Acholi sub-region. So all of us are corrupt. So nobody should all the time keep on dwelling on that. Let us start the new journey, the new marriage with these people. Give them support and see whether they have destroyed it. Give them support. Give them money, give them support. Give them to move. Those ones who can still go to school, let's send them to school. Those ones who are businessmen, let us give them support, capital. So that we start blaming them afresh. Because they are getting settled in their mind. This is product. These ones are product of camps. But they are also getting to know that the world is different. They have started a different walk to their land here. They are now talking positive, that they need people to come and develop with them. Acholi alone cannot develop this land. Whether you go to heaven, whether you go to God, he will tell you, go back and work together with other countries. America is strong now, not because they work alone as Americans. You know American Jews are the potential people of America, not even Americans. So let us welcome people. We work together to change our society. So when you die, when I come to bury you, I'll be very happy. I don't want to come and bury somebody. I go to many caskets to see. You find somebody no tongue and you like Larmom. Talk nigga mong and you like king. Away man in talk So let us have that. Get out of our mind. So that we see the best way on how we can use our land. You are the people. You are the people who matters. We selected these people, Honorable Richard, from all the walks, the corner of this Acholi sub-region. Amur is here, Gulu City is here, Lamour is here. It is on more that they are already done theirs. Noya, I told Omara to bring. He said he was sick from the eyes. I talked to him twice, so he has, I don't know, they have not come, but others flew also, they came. I don't want to say this, but they are here also, in their own capacity. So these are the team that is here with us, Secretary General. I would like to say there are a few things I want to put within our district. We are ready for transformation, and these people are ready for transformation. Development. Let's not go to stories now. Let's act. Act on time so that these people are example where we can now, because there are not very many, we can follow you. They were also saying there's a 4 acres model. Well, first of all, try with them the 4 acres model and see whether they will fail to produce. There are some of them here who already started with PDM. There are some who have started with PDM, they work slowly. And you know PDM works slowly. 1 million, but this one should be more than that 1 million to them so that they change their life and their children goes to school, and a solid sub-region will also change. The security situation in Agago is calm. We have taken about 6-7 months without serious attempt of human life being taken by Kejo. And this is not something which is easy to sustain. When I came here, together with my team, we had a different plan. I am happy I got the chair, Honorable Minister Todwong. The minister, the team that are here was working together, and I joined them. I am happy. Let's, Chairman, let me recognize you for this. Chairman, you stand up. He's a fighter. He's a person that we can clap for. He's a person who is committed for his people. He's a person who is committed for Agago. He's a person who does not like stories. And Pelaroro. Pelaroro, Aleo Pelaroro. Kayin Laroro is society, don't okeni. You'll be seen naked in the eyes of God or here. So I don't know whether you can see it, but God can see it. So those are things that I would like. The Kejong tried to pick out 7 animals. We went out to Kotiri, we got the animals back. We got the animals back here, members. It is not easy. What more knows, we don't sleep with him. Sometimes we quarrel. But when you let him go, we kill him at Yabogini. Where you go ding a right? Where good ding Chalin? Good ding Chaluan. Get your gun, good eye, when you ding a year and a ding be. So what tea cake, the issue of crowd, the issue of other things, let's work together with them. And Koitido is having a lot of it now. Because we went there, they said, widowers being very many from this year. We have given some, about their many. And when I told them in the meeting, if you go there to steal with a gun, you will not come back. Kaseri, you should know that. If there's a Kaseri boy from here, I'm a Kaseri boy from Agago. Then Kaseris will Kaseri themselves. But we did not wish that, Honorable Todwong. As Ugandan, we should have stayed together. When I killed my brother from Karamoja, it's not nice for me. Their leaders are not helping them. There are so many projects taken up there, but they don't want to take the advantage. So we'll still go with them like that. And I would like also to thank my Diso, my senior Diso. Can you stand up? They clap for you. This is a very senior person. Who, when he gives you advice, if you don't take, that's up to you. That's why I'm very strong, because he's strong. I have also my DPC, who is a Opo Manyen, he level woman. He has just 1 week.
2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks old now. But I think he will catch up with because this is with him, trying to help him. And my sister Nara, this is here also. Can you stand up? assistant RDCs from Agago first. From Agago, yeah. Those are two who are working with me, and my deputy, the Iron Lady. Stand up, they clap for you. Thank you. So with this combination, I'll come to the situation of politics. Politics is there, and these people are ready for it. Yes. These people are ready for it. I know all of them. I know these people, they are ready for politics to face anything that comes to Northern region. And we are ready. Are we not ready? Ready. Are we ready? Kala luoti kenyo ulai komo ao. So they are ready. They need your support so that they work together. What they need is support. I know politics is there. It comes with a lot of propaganda. As we are sitting here, the MP of the home, they are saying the ministry did not invite them. But this is their home. I talked to them. Everybody I called them. Nobody I did not call. So if somebody does not want to work together, yet is an NRM, you check those people very closely. I've told you this 3 times. Check them very well. They might be with you eating at night, at daytime, at night hours they are somewhere. So I told you this twice. Let's check on that, reorganize ourselves. If not, we shall be sleeping with wrong people. That's why the snakes. That's why I told Acholi, there's a story I told Acholi about sleeping. I said for Muzungu, they have 6 by 6. But for Acholi sub-region, we need to go away from 6 by 6. Let's have 3 by 5. Whereby you have very close. Muzungu, when they quarrel with the wife, they will not talk for 1 month. Because the Satan is in the middle. That one is pointing there, that one is pointing there. But actually, you are together. You have quarreled. You turn your back. But these two does not know they'll be knocking themselves. So at the end of that minute, you find out they'll say, Atimiki don't. They were obeying. Then the society would be good. But society is developed from home, from a unit of a family. If a unit of family is not strong, there's no society. That's why we are concentrating in the unit of home. That's why this home of these people must be first strong, then they can now go to multiply. You see, even Jesus said the 10 disciples, Jesus gave them money. They are not being written in the Bible, but it's there. He gave them money. To let them go and do what? Uchongo, Kodi. Yeah, give him how much? Yeah. So I'll pick, or you give Ujok is my accountant. Ujok, all the money coming to me, you receive it, take it to Ujok. Yes, so that is where this time, Kilewachuli, the dito Dwong, gang pegi beranywane. Litian watimu kene, ge pegi mirone dano udong, dogola gigi kene yu chera nyim. Dogola pajamu kene po cheri. Mamne kene yigi kene beda deng. Be very careful with people who think they know, yet they don't know. Thank you. So these are clean pots I brought to you. This is not my day. There are a few programs that has been, we have left it here, which must happen, is the target. And the best person in target, I fear, is Honorable Todwong. In target. Nobody, I fear him. Even me was number one in Chankwanzi for 3 times. I fear him in target. So that day when we are doing our target, I'll bring him. So that he will start with you people. So we think We think this program of target, we did not have time, you know, time of going Gulu and other thing, cut our time for target. So we have grouped it like this. The people of Acholi East, which is Nwaya, Amuro, Acholi West, Nwaya, Amuro, Gulu City, Omoro will go to 4th Division. And we shall mention a day that all of them will go there. I think I will talk to division commanders so that they are there for 2 days. Because this thing they lack the training of the gun. So we need to help them do the strip pulling and assembly, then they shoot the following day. And I know you will support me there. And the people of Acholi East, the one which is in Agago, and then Pade will go to Labodwong. That one we shall handle with the division commander, and then I know he will inform Wadmon. We shall also make ours there. The people of Kitgum, Noya, Lamuo will be in Pajimu for what? For target. So we shall give you the day tomorrow when you will be going there. So after that, I say these people are ready to defend their country. These are very sharp people. The marching only took for us only 2 days, 3 days. This is what they're doing. If it was like 1 month, it was going to be difficult. Finally, I will not forget my team from the ministry. Dugu JJ, you stand up. This one is a sharp one. Came one day and brought discipline. I would like to thank you. Can you clap for him? We have Oyambi, who was with us here, and also continue with us. Thank you very much. God bless you, and bless your family. With all your team now, and yeah, we have also the staff behind there. They are there, their team, the others are secretariat. They supported this thing. My great man, you stand up. We started with this gentleman in 2000 something, 2019 for training. We went to Gulu University, we went to Aduku, we went to many places, Pakwachi, with him. He needs to be promoted. That is your role. Promote him to a lieutenant colonel. Because Todwong is not very far there. In that pot is there, ours is there. So my friend, sleep well, you're happy. With the instructors, where are the instructors? Instructors, they work very hard. That one I will handle with division commander for more ranks. I did in others, which we did, they promoted them. I don't tell stories. There are those we work with them, they are now lieutenant colonel. Because we don't sit down for you. And those who work also in the kitchen, we love them. Can we thank those one there? For them, we love them, you know why. So that is where we were. With these few remarks, I think I am good to invite the minister to come and greet our own people. Minister, let's welcome our own. This is our own, in different style now. Different style. Awera dong. Awera. Get gone way for me go gone. Apia tikwe. Apia.